Like trying to make something both super strong and incredibly light? That's where TRIZ comes in, a classic Russian brainchild from 1946. It's got neat tools, 39 ways to describe tech problems, and 40 clever tricks to solve them. Think splitting things up or thinking backwards. But here's the kicker, it's old school. In our messy, digital world, full of fuzzy data and tricky ethics, TRIZ gets a bit lost. It's like using a map from the horse and buggy era for a self-driving car. We need something smarter. So, what's the magic upgrade? Enter DIKWP. Think of it as the next level pyramid. You've got your data, the raw stuff. Then information, making sense of it. Knowledge, seeing the patterns. Wisdom, knowing what's right. And, crucially, purpose, the why behind it all. This isn't just stacking blocks, it's a web where everything talks to everything else. Now, DIKWP TRIZ takes this web and weaves TRIZ's 40 tricks into it. It maps each trick to how you move between these layers, like 25 different doors connecting rooms. This handles the real-world chaos, when your info is patchy, your knowledge is clashing, or your goals are fuzzy. That's the 3 no problem, and DIKWP TRIZ tackles it head-on. Okay, how does this wizardry actually work? Let's break it down. First, you take your headache and lay it out across the DIKWP layers. What raw data do you have? What's your ultimate goal? Second, you hunt for the snag, the contradiction. Maybe it's simple like wanting passwords secure but easy to use. Third, instead of just one tool, you navigate the network. Need better security? Maybe jump from purpose to data and think, how can I ditch passwords entirely? Bingo, biometrics. Finally, there's a check system, semantic math, that makes sure every step logically connects back to your original goal and doesn't mess up any ethical considerations. It's like having a GPS for brilliant ideas, ensuring you don't get lost in the weeds. Why should you care? Because DIKWP TRIZ is a total game changer. It's not just about nuts and bolts anymore. It thinks about the big picture, the ethics, the why. It uses the whole toolbox, covering all those messy, real-world problems traditional TRIZ struggles with. Think AI bias. DIKWP TRIZ brings the wisdom layer to potentially fix it. And it's faster in its own way. Instead of just following one path, it explores multiple routes at once, thanks to that network structure. Plus, it's built for AI. Imagine machines not just doing tasks, but genuinely coming up with new, clever solutions guided by human-like reasoning. That's the power-up. So, wrapping it up, DIKWP TRIZ isn't just another method. It's a whole new way of thinking about innovation. It gives us control, semantic sovereignty, over the meaning and direction of our creations. It learns from itself, reflexive causality, getting smarter with every solution. And it evolves. Multi-layer evolution, adapting to new challenges. The future. It's not just about more powerful computers. It's about smarter, more thoughtful creation. Maybe soon, AI won't just follow orders, but truly invent alongside us. Pretty exciting, right? Let's embrace this new frontier.